This is the Breton cycle, and the Breton cycle application in automotive industries like buses, trucks, aeroplanes, and industrial gas turbine applications. So first I will discuss the open gas turbine cycle. So this is my compressor. The compressor suck air from the atmosphere. This is from atmosphere. From atmosphere, and the compressor compressed to the air, then it passes through the combustion chamber, and in combustion chamber the fuel injection take place and the combustion process take place at the constant pressure. After the combustion process, the product of combustion passes through the gas turbine. In gas turbine, it expand, and after expansion process, it produce the turbine work done, WT, and product of combustion after expansion process, it exhausts through turbine to the atmosphere, to atmospheric pressure, ठीक है, to the environment. So this is my open cycle, and open cycle TS diagram is this one. This is the TS diagram of open cycle. So here you can represent A to B and B to C and C to D. So this is the at the constant pressure, the heat combustion process, the heat addition take place at the constant pressure. Okay, and it is passes at point D. The product of combustion after expansion process, it exhausts to the environment. Okay, so this is my open cycle gas turbine plant. Now further I will discuss closed cycle gas turbine plant. Okay, so how to draw? So first of all I will draw the P block diagram, then I will draw the TS diagram, and after that I will calculate the efficiency of the Breton cycle in terms of pressure ratio and compression ratio. So this is the block diagram of closed cycle gas turbine plant. This is the compressor, and after compression process, it passes through the combustion chamber. In combustion chamber, the fuel injection take place, and the combustion process take place at the constant pressure, and the product of combustion passes through the turbine. This is my turbine. In turbine, the expansion of the gas take place. Here in complete cycle, the working fluid is your gas, and it is remain in gaseous phase. Okay, WC. So this is my turbine work done, and after that it passes through the heat exchanger. ठीक है, ये आपका heat exchanger है in turbine. So this is my point number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the heat rejection take place at the constant pressure, and heat addition also take place at the constant pressure. This is the compression work done. This is the turbine work done. The working fluid is your gas, and it is remain in gas phase. Okay. So how to draw its TS diagram? PV and TS diagram. So it's PV and TS diagram. This is my PV diagram. PV. So 1 to 2 is your compression process, reversible adiabatic compression process. This is the at constant pressure heat supply take place, and 2 to 3 constant pressure heat supplied in combustion chamber. This is my expansion process or turbine work done. You will get the turbine work done. In turbine, the expansion take place at a reversible adiabatic process. It follows the reversible adiabatic process, and entropy is remain constant. 3 to 4 and 4 to 1 is your heat rejection process. In heat rejection take place at the constant pressures. So this is my clockwise cycle. Now draw its TS diagram. In TS diagram, This is my TS diagram. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4 and 4 to 1. ठीक है, 1 to 2 is your compression work done isentropically, constant pressure heat addition and expansion process. You will get the turbine work done isentropically or reversible adiabatic process and constant pressure heat rejection QR, and the cycle is clockwise. Now how to find out the turbine efficiency? So turbine efficiency, Brayton cycle, you know the Q heat supplied minus heat rejected over heat supplied. So 1 minus QR over QS, QR over QS. So 1 minus heat rejected from 4 to 1. So MCP T4 minus T1 divided by heat supplied in combustion chamber at the constant pressure T3, this node minus this node. So this is T2. Okay. So here the 1 minus T4 minus T1 divided by T3 minus T2. This is the Brayton cycle efficiency. Now this is my 1 to 2 and 3 to 4 is your reversible adiabatic process. So from here we will get the relationship in terms of pressure and temperature. So how to find out the relationship? 1 to 2 and in 3 to 4 में आप relationship find कर. We know the polytropic process PV to the power gamma is equal to C, and we know the gas general equation PV is equal to mRT. So from here, in terms of pressure, at the place of V, we can write T to the power gamma or P to the power gamma is equal to constant. T to the power gamma, P to the power gamma minus 1 is equal to constant. Now for process 1 to 2. So this is my T1 to the power gamma, P1 to the power gamma minus 1, T2 to the power gamma and P to the power gamma minus 1. So from here P2 over P1 to the power gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 over T1 to the power gamma. Okay. Now you may write like this further. This is P2 over P1 और ये P2 over P1 to the power gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 over T1 to the, ठीक है. So T2 over T1 is equal to P2 over P1 to the power gamma minus 1 upon gamma, and P2 over P1 is your pressure ratio, gamma minus 1 upon gamma. Similarly you may write for 3 to 4. 3 to 4 process T3 over T4 is equal to higher pressure. This is my higher pressure line, P2, it is remain constant, and this is my lower pressure line remain constant. So T3 over T4 is equal to pressure ratio to the power gamma minus 1 over gamma. So from here we have a T2 over T1 is equal to T3 over T4. Okay. Now in cycle efficiency, the Brayton cycle efficiency means 1 minus heat rejected. So we have T4 minus T1 over T3 minus T2. Now with the help of this relation, we will try to write, so T2 over T1 is equal to T3 over T4. So here we have T2 over T1 is equal to T3. Okay, so can we write like this? T2 minus T1 over T1 is equal to T3. Here is your T4 minus T1 and T3 minus T2. So T4, okay, now rearrange this. So T4 over T1 and T3 over T2. Now can we write like this? T4 minus T1 over T1 and T3 minus T2 over T2. So T4 minus T1 over T3 minus T2 is equal to T1 over T2. Now from here we will write in efficiency formula T4 minus T1 over T3 minus T2 at the place of this T1 over T2. तो इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 1 minus T1 over T2. अब यहाँ पर T1 over T2 क्या है? T1 over T2 from this equations. So this is my 1 minus, you can write like this, T2 over T1 और 1 minus T2 over T1 क्या है? RP to the power गामा माइनस 1 ओवर गामा. तो ये मेरा एक एफिशिएंसी का रिलेशनशिप आ गया. दैट रिटर्न साइकिल एफिशिएंसी इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रेशर रेशो इज 1 minus 1 upon RP to the power gamma minus 1 upon gamma. Now further you may also write the efficiency formula in terms of compression ratio. So how you write? Let us see. So for 1 to 2 and 3 to 4. So we know the PV to the power gamma is equal to C and PV is equal to MRT. So from here at the place of P, T over V into V to the power gamma is equal to, so T V to the power gamma minus 1 is equal to C. Now write for 1 to 2. So T1 V1 to the power gamma minus 1, T2 V to the power gamma minus 1. So from here V1 upon V2 power gamma minus 1 is equal to T2 over T1. Similarly for 3 to 4. So T3 V3 to the power gamma minus 1 is equal to T4 V4 to the power gamma minus 1. From here V3 over V4 to the power gamma minus 1 over T4 over T3. So you know the relationship T4 minus T1. So B1 minus B2 is your B1 minus B2. So B1 minus B2 is your compression ratio. So B1 minus B2 is your compression ratio. So you can also write like this, RC to the power gamma minus 1. So from here, from the turbine cycle efficiency, we know that turbine cycle efficiency V is equal to 1 minus T4 minus T1 over T3 minus T2. Can I write like this? Take T1 outside and from here take T2 outside. So from here T4 over T1 minus 1 and this is my T3 over T2 minus 1. So T4 over T1, T4 over T4 over T1, T4 over T4 over T4 over T1. So T1 over T2 is your, so you may write like this, 1 minus 1 upon T2 over T1 and here T4 over T1, temperature at number 4 and temperature at number 1, T4 over T1 minus 1 over T3 over T2 is equal to 1. So यहाँ पर आपका रिलेशनशिप आया था T3 T4 over T3, T4 over T3, T4. So आपका रिलेशनशिप आया था, एक हमने रिलेशनशिप प्रेशर इज, जब प्रेशर कांस्टेंट था तो वहां पर हमारा रिलेशनशिप क्या आया था, व्हेन प्रेशर वाज द कांस्टेंट. तो उसमें रिलेशनशिप हमारा आया था कि P V to the पावर गामा इज इक्वल टू कांस्टेंट और ये T पी वी इज इक्वल टू एम आर टी से रिलेशनशिप क्या आया था, P V की जगह हमने रखा T टू दी पावर गामा और P, ठीक है, टू दी पावर गामा माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू C. तो यहाँ पर हमने रखा था जब T2 ओवर 1 to 2 में लगाया था. सो 1 to 2 में T1 टू दी पावर गामा, P1 टू दी पावर गामा माइनस 1 एंड T टू दी पावर गामा ओवर P टू दी पावर गामा माइनस 1. तो यहाँ से हमारा आया था T2 ओवर T1 इज इक्वल टू P टू दी ओवर माइनस 1 ओवर गामा माइनस 1 ओवर गामा, ये आया था. और एक और रिलेशनशिप आया था हमारा 3 और 4 के लिए। तो 3, 4 के लिए हमारा रिलेशनशिप क्या था, T3 ओवर T4 इज इक्वल टू P2 ओवर P1 टू द पावर गामा माइनस 1 अपॉन गामा। तो ये आपस में क्या थे, T2 ओवर T1 इज इक्वल टू T3 ओवर T4 सेम थे, और P2 ओवर P1 टू द पावर गामा माइनस 1 अपॉन गामा। अब यहाँ पर क्या लिख सकते हैं, T2 ओवर T1, ठीक है। तो इस रिलेशनशिप को हमने रीअरेंज किया था, तो रीअरेंज करने से हमारा क्या मिला था, T2 और सपोज रीअरेंज कर लिया हमने, सो T1 ओवर T2 किया हमने सपोज पहले, और फिर T4 ओवर T3 किया, और रीअरेंज किया तो यहाँ से क्या आएगा हमारा T3 ओवर T2 और T4 ओवर T1। तो ये आपस में सेम है, तो ये पूरा का पूरा हिस्सा क्या हो जाएगा, कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पर हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, 1 माइनस T2 ओवर T1 हमारा क्या है इन टर्म्स ऑफ कंप्रेशन रेशो, 1 अपॉन RC टू द पावर गामा माइनस 1। तो ये मेरी होगी ब्रेटन साइकिल एफिशिएंसी। तो ब्रेटन साइकिल एफिशिएंसी इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रेशर रेशो एंड कंप्रेशन रेशो। तो ब्रेटन साइकिल एफिशिएंसी इन टर्म्स ऑफ कंप्रेशन रेशो एंड प्रेशर रेशो। तो हमारे पास ये दो एफिशिएंसी के टर्म आए, क्या क्या है, एक तो हमारे पास आया एफिशिएंसी 1 माइनस 1 अपॉन RC टू द पावर गामा माइनस 1, ठीक है। RC इज माई कंप्रेशन रेशो, तो RC हमारा V1 ओवर V2 है, ठीक है। और दूसरा है हमारा ब्रेटन साइकिल एफिशिएंसी इन टर्म्स ऑफ प्रेशर रेशो, RP टू द पावर गामा माइनस 1 अपॉन गामा, जहाँ RP हमारा क्या है, हायर प्रेशर लाइन ओवर लोअर प्रेशर, ठीक है। तो ये मेरा आया इन ब्रेटन साइकिल, द ब्रेटन साइकिल, एंड दिस इज द for same compression ratio, the Breton cycle for same compression ratio, the efficiency of the Breton cycle is equal to efficiency of Otto cycle। ये आया हमारा, ठीक है। यहाँ से now this type of cycle or this Breton cycle is used in gas cooled nuclear power plant. So efficiency of the Breton cycle is equal to the efficiency of the Otto cycle at the same compression ratio. So we have two relationships of Breton cycle. One is in terms of compression ratio, another one is in terms of pressure ratio. So efficiency of Breton cycle 1 minus RC to the power gamma minus 1. Gamma is your specific heat ratio, and the Breton cycle in terms of pressure ratio is 1 minus RP to the power gamma minus 1 upon gamma, where RP is your P2 over P1, higher pressure limit minus lower pressure limit। एक कंबसन प्रेशर लाइन है जिस पर कंबसन टेक प्लेस होगा, दूसरा हीट रिजेक्शन जहां पर टेक प्लेस हो रहा वो प्रेशर लाइन है। तो इस तरीके से आप रिलेशनशिप फाइंड आउट करोगे फॉर ब्रेटन साइकिल एफिशिएंसी। थैंक यू।